testings by the people. For example, to plan the test cases and to create the test cases. Later on in this lecture, we will talk about what are the test cases actually and how they are created, what are their templates, standard templates, and they execute the test cases also, and to find out the defects or the bugs, and then obviously fixing of those bugs, and sometimes performing retesting, and to analyze the project guidelines as well. So these are different activities which are carried out by the people in manual testing. As far as automated testing is concerned, they can be divided into fully automated testing and partial automation. इसको हम थोड़ा सा डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखते हैं ऑटोमेटेड टेस्टिंग है क्या है. It allows a systematic management of test activities, for example, development, verification, and execution of test scripts by using an automated test tool within a minimal schedule and obviously minimal cost. Automated fully automated test जो है या testing है, it is very consistent and allows the repetitions of similar tests at very little managerial cost. The setup and purchase cost of such automation are very high. However, the maintenance can be equally expensive. Automation is also relatively inflexible and requires rework in order to adapt some kind of the changes to the requirements. Whereas partial automation incorporates automation only where the most benefits can be achieved. It also retains a large component of manual testing which maintains the test team's flexibility and offers redundancy by checking up automation with manual testing. The disadvantage is that it is obviously does not provide an extreme benefits as either extreme solutions. So this is about automation, automated test, and two flavors are coming under automated testing: fully automated testing and partial automated testing, and they are a bit different in their nature. Benefits of automated testing, उनको हम देखते हैं. The more production of most reliable systems can be achieved are attained by using automated testing strategies. Improved load and stress testing हो गया, and improved quality of the test effort and minimization of the schedule and the cost. This is a big benefit of automated testing. Similarly, improved build verification and testing optimization, improved regression testings, and improved software multi-platform compatibility testing. So all kind of the testings can be done more effectively and more efficiently with improved quality by using automated testing. So these are some of the key benefits of using automated testing. This slide is showing about different activities which will be required to be performed by automated testing. For example, decision to automate the test script, that whether we should go with some automated testing approach. Next is to test automation tools acquisition. Those tools are acquired, which will be decided once this will be decided that we are going through the automated testing, and then automated testing introduction process is developed, and test planning and the design and development. And next activity is the execution and the management of automated test, and test program review and the assessment. So these are key activities which will be performed normally in automated testing, and this is usually called automated testing life cycle methodology. ये सेंटर